Okay, let's go on this adventure. This is our walk after dinner. 69 Fahrenheit, I think that's 28.5 Celsius, I think. I'll put it on the video. We have BOTs. I have BOTs. They had some bacon with their dog food. Oh, I forgot the roses. Wait a minute, hold on, doggy. Look at the roses. And look at those dark red ones. Look at the pink ones. And the white ones. Hold on. Look at it. These ain't just busting out here. Ain't that pretty? My girlfriend would have loved that. Anyway, that's fine. That's fine. I need to spray them though. Come on, let's go. And my lettuce there, look like something is getting to them. I'm going to spray something on them. I got to see what these are here. They look like tomatoes. I don't know. I didn't buy no tomatoes. I didn't save no seeds from last year. Come on, let's go. We had a little rain today too. Not much, just a little bit. It rained most of the day, but it was just like sprinkles all day long. Anyway, I ate early today, afternoon, my dinner, because I was watching a long show. Oh, what was that? Birdie. Good boy, Barkley, good boy. I'll take him on another walk later. Usually when I bring my camera, there's not much going on here. Sometimes there is, but when I walk without the camera, there's always something going on out here. I forgot to see if the neighbors' dogs are out or not. She's looking. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Barkley. Let's see. That was Barkley on this ramp here. The little bridge.